Welcome to the Jamestown Distributors Workshop. Here in our workshops, we constantly have ongoing restoration projects. Our current project is the restoration of a Beetle cab. Today we'll be giving it its final coats of paint. First, we will be wet sanding. We will be doing this using some warm water and 3M Imperial Wet or Dry 1500 grit paper. When using wet or dry paper, constantly rinse it. This will help keep the abrasive clean and will help the paper to move across the surface. Folding the paper in thirds gives you 3 surfaces to work with and is also easier to handle. When it dries, it will leave a residue which can easily be wiped away. Simply use warm water and a clean rag to remove all of the residue. Once we're done with the wet sanding, we clean off any additional residue using a reducing solvent. It is best to allow the solvent to air dry. The last step before painting is to give it one last cleaning, this time using a tack cloth. Tacking should be done very gently without pressing down. Continually fold the tack cloth so that you can wipe down with a clean portion of the rag.